Why do we dance? I think one of the things that makes that question so interesting is there's a function of dance in our evolutionary history, and then there's the kind of brain mechanisms of dance. So there's some special neuroanatomical connections that we have that other primates don't seem to have as strongly, that connect areas of our brain that are involved in planning movements to areas that are involved in analyzing sound. And that's what you do when you perceive a beat or move to a beat. You have to coordinate what you hear with what you do in a very sophisticated way, like we do when we speak, for example. In today's culture, it's sort of an optional activity. We don't know what life was like 100,000 years ago, whether participating in these sorts of group activities was actually an essential part of being part of the group and marked you as a member of the group in a way that was important for your survival. But today it's more of an optional activity, but it still seems to have really important relationships to brain function. Something about moving together in synchrony to music bonds you, it gives you a sense of bonding to another person. And that sort of makes a lot of sense. If you look around the world, dance is still largely a social phenomenon, something that people do in groups that does make them feel connected to each other.